case you missed it, spring rolls are cool, especially with these wrappers. You don't have to cook them. You just dip them in water for about 10 seconds, fill them with anything you want. This one's got some rice noodles and veggies, but you can also put chicken, fish, beef, whatever you want in it. Such an easy meal. And delicious. I love a traditional pho, but it can take up to 2 days to make. When I get that craving and I don't have that kind of time, I make a faux pho. But here's a quick way to throw together an awesome Vietnamese inspired soup. It starts with cooked rice noodles and lots of veggies. Now I use shaved ribeye because it cooks up really fast and it cooks right in the bowl. Instead of the traditional bone broth, we just get a pre-made broth and add some sesame, 5-spice, whatever you like. And you get it up to boil and immediately put it right on top of the beef. With a shaved ribeye, it comes out really tender. Then you just toss all these veggies on there. Have fun, whatever you like. We like fresh garlic. Gotta have cilantro and lime. Oh, and don't forget those fried noodles. Nice crunch. And a handful of bean sprouts to top it off. Now that's an awesome quick soup. Here's something you can do with your bean sprouts. Ginger beef and sprouts. Start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of cocoa minos, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of coconut sugar, a couple cloves of garlic, we like a lot, some green onion, and lots of fresh grated ginger, and a little agave. Stir it up, heat up your grill, cook up a pound of shaved ribeye, or your favorite beef. Season it as you like, and toss it right into that mixture. Now you can serve this warm, or you can refrigerate it for a cold snack. Now get a little olive oil, cocoa minos, splash of vinegar, and a little agave. Mix that up. Toss in your bean sprouts, little green onion, some radicchio red cabbage for color. Mix that all up. Make you a little boat out of lettuce and fill it up with that beef. Then put a whole heaping handful of those marinated bean sprouts on top. And don't forget to garnish. Great meal or appetizer can be served warm or cold. Enjoy.